how to use Skiplagged travel credit. If you've earned some credits, which is a travel credit within your Skiplagged account, and you'd like to use or redeem them, first of all, you can open the Skiplagged tab and you can find your credits by coming to the account tab and going to rewards or travel credits option right there. And you'll find all the different credits that you have earned within Skiplagged. Now, to basically use or redeem those Skiplagged, you have to proceed to book a certain flight. So you can go ahead and enter your destination flight as well as your pickup flight, and then simply choose a certain date, choose a departing flight as well. And once you've done that, you can book the departing for certain amounts, and then it will check if the flights are available. So you can use any of these options to basically go ahead and then book. And during the booking process, you can proceed to the booking page for a flight hotel. And if your travel credits cover the cost, so it has to be able to cover the cost, you will see an option to use them on the checkout page. So when you're on this checkout page, you'll find the option to go ahead and then use them by tapping on the confirm button, and then whenever you're prompted to ask your information, you will be able to enter your credit information. So I hope the video helped you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end, and see you soon as always in the next video.